Okay, guys, this is class number 10. So let's start. I would like to go to a party. Ma vie allant en fête. I would like to go to the party. Ma vie allant fête. I would like to go to the party. Ma vie allant fête. I would like to go to the beach. Ma vie allant la mer. I would like to go to the beach. Ma vie aller dans la mer. I would like to go to the beach. Ma vie aller dans la mer. I would like to go to the pool. Ma vie à la piscine. I would like to go to the pool. Ma vie à la piscine. I would like to go to the pool. Ma vie à la piscine. I would like to watch a basketball game. Ma vie garder un match basket. I would like to watch a basketball game. Ma vie garder un match basket. I would like to watch a basketball game. Ma vie garder un match basket. What is the time? Quelle heure? What is the time, please? Quelle heure, s'il vous plaît? What is the time, please? Quelle heure, s'il vous plaît? At what time we go to the church? À quelle heure nous prenons l'église? At what time we go to the church? À quelle heure nous prenons l'église? At what time we go to the church? À quelle heure nous prenons l'église? Is this a book? Est-ce que c'est un livre? Is this a book? Est-ce que c'est un livre? Is this a book? Est-ce que c'est un livre? Is this a notebook? Est-ce que c'est un cahier? Is this a notebook? Est-ce que c'est un cahier? Give me my pen. Bam crayon. Bam plume.